How to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix it. So let's just jump right in without any further ado. First thing you have to do is open up your control panel. So if you are using Wi-Fi but the Wi-Fi option is not showing, then the first thing you have to do is open control panel, go to the search bar and search for control panel. And then you can find the restore advanced settings on the network tab. So you're going to have to find network and internet, click on it. And then from here, right click on internet option and go to its properties. So let's go to internet option first and it will open up its properties. Then go to advanced. And then from here, you're going to have to restore the advanced settings. Click on it and it will automatically reset everything. The next thing you have to do is open the services tab. So go to the search bar and search for services, hit enter. And from here, you're going to have to find something called WLAN autoconfig. So type in W by clicking on any one of them. It will select and directly take you to the W tab. And here you'll find WLAN autoconfig. Just make sure that this is running. And if it's not, just right click on it, go to its properties. And from the properties tab, if it's running, click on stop and then click on start again. Once you do that, make sure the startup type is automatic and then click on OK. From here, again, you're going to have to go back to control panel and then go back to control panel home. Select the view by category as small or large icons and then find the internet option here. So from here, just click on the internet option. And once you get to internet option here, you'll find the same pop-up, but we don't want this time. We're going to go to network and sharing and then click on change adapter settings. And if your internet or Wi-Fi network is working here, just right click on it, disable it, and then re-enable it by right clicking on it again. And the final step we have to do is close all of this out. Then go to Device Manager. Once your Device Manager is open, find the connection adapters, network adapters right here. Right-click on your wireless network adapter. Disable the device and then enable it again. Then update the driver. And if your driver is up to date, just restart your PC once, and you should be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. That's how you fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.